Hello, doctor. Good evening. Yes, yes, about the report. The report is out. So, what is the report? Doctor, what did you just say now? 2 days. I have 2 days. 2 days to leave this world. I will live just 2 days. Where did it all go? Where did it all go wrong? Who did I offend? What is my sin? God, why me? Since birth. Since when I was a child, I've been battling with this illness. God, why? What is my offense? Where did it all go wrong? What did I do? God. So now I have 2 days. 2 days. What about my dream? What about my career? What about my future? So all this is gone. All this is gone. Who is going to help me? Who is going to save me? God, please save me. I'm looking up to you, God. Only you can do this, God. Only you. Why me? You are my family. Why me? Why? God, why? Where did it all go wrong? Where did it go wrong? Where did I miss it? Where?